How to use social media for academic networking. Have you ever wondered how social media can help you connect with others in your academic field? Let's break down how to use these platforms for effective networking. First, it is essential to choose the right social networks that align with your academic goals. LinkedIn is great for professional connections and job opportunities. ResearchGate is perfect for sharing research and collaborating with other academics. Twitter allows you to engage with a wider audience, while Facebook groups can create supportive communities for discussion and feedback. Each platform has its unique strengths, so select those that best fit your area of study. Once you have chosen your platforms, it is time to create a professional presence. Start by setting up a clear profile. Use a high-quality headshot and write a concise biography that highlights your academic interests and expertise. Include links to your publications or projects. A well-crafted profile boosts your credibility and makes it easier for others to find and connect with you. Active participation is crucial for successful networking. Regularly share updates about your research, comment on others' work, and join relevant discussions or groups. For example, on Twitter, being active and sharing interesting content helps you build a reputation and attract connections. On Instagram, using specific hashtags related to your field can help you engage with like-minded academics. When reaching out to new contacts, especially on LinkedIn, personalize your connection requests. Mention shared interests, mutual connections, or your academic goals. This personal touch makes your request more meaningful and increases the chances of acceptance. Social media can also be a tool for tracking your academic progress and goals. Share milestones, seek feedback, or find collaborators who can support your research journey. Community forums or Facebook groups can provide ongoing support and motivation. Overall, social media extends your academic network beyond traditional settings like conferences. It allows you to connect with peers, mentors, and professionals worldwide, enriching your academic experience. The key is to be consistent, professional, and purposeful in your social media use for networking.